Okay, so here we're talking about triangles again, but this time we're talking about the exterior angles, okay? So as we talked before, exterior means the outside. So if you look here, this line of the triangle extends out, and we have this angle on the outside of that triangle. We call that one the exterior angle. And we can actually find that really easily. I know we don't know this angle right here, and we could find it if we wanted to, but all I need to know is my opposite angles, my two opposite ones, not the one that's with the x, but the two opposites. And the rule is that I can just add up my two opposite interior angles to get my exterior angle. So we can even create an equation out of this. Interior angle 1 plus interior angle 2 equals my exterior, which is x. So here, 50 plus 60, that gets me 110. And so that exterior angle here is 110 degrees. Okay, so now we know how to find the exterior angle of a triangle. Like we talked about, it's these two interior angles opposite of it that equal my exterior angle. Now, if you look, we have some variables involved here and here. So we can still figure out what these angles are by creating an equation here. If you remember, we found out that these two interior angles add up to equal my exterior angle. So anytime that we have that equals 2, we can create an equation there. So I have these two angles. I want to go angle 1, which is x plus 5, and second angle, which is 65 added to it, equals my exterior angle. So my exterior angle here actually is just with a variable, so I'm going to put that there, 2x. Now I can go ahead and solve. I want to go ahead and combine this right here. So that gets me x plus 70 equals 2x. I can go ahead and solve this. Now if you look, we have x on this side, x on this side. I need to get rid of one of them. I'm definitely going to get rid of this one right here, so I'm going to minus x. That goes away. I'm going to go and do the same thing over here, because that's what I have to do in an equation. So what's left on this side is 70, and on this side, 2x minus x equals just 1x, or x is what we want. So we found out that x equals 70. So we once again go and plug it in. We go here, 70 plus 5. Well, that gets us 75 degrees over here. I come over here and I plug it in here, and I get 2 times 70, because I'm plugging my x that I got here for 70 in for this x. And so that tells me that this angle is 140 degrees on that exterior angle. And if I go 65 plus 75, carry that 1, that gets me 140 there. So that 140 is these two added together, which would equal my exterior angle here. And that just proves that what we did is correct.